Ascensor A.
This used to be express. I like blue cabs. That is nice though.
Puerta cerrando. Planta 11. Puerta abriendo.
Oh yeah, they're MRL now, 5500. I don't think I've seen this white port call station. Well, maybe I have. I don't think I've seen it with that logo. Again, maybe I have.
-3. Ascensor A. Puerta cerrando. Planta -3. Puerta abriendo. Cero. Ascensor A. 11.
Really?
Ascensor B.
Let's see if they will give me the same price so it'll open up.
Cero. Ascensor B.
There we go. I want it to open up in the lobby so I can show on the camera the original express fixtures.
Puerta cerrando. Planta 0. Puerta abriendo. Puerta cerrando.
Man, these would have been crazy to see original. I've got to find some original, like, proper express elevators here, because I know they exist. These are nice though. I really like these black Linea fixtures.
Puerta abriendo.
Anyway, that is going to be it.
Puerta